So this is a recipe for white chicken pulao. So we need to make a paste out of it. 1 medium-sized onion, 2 green chili. You can increase the chili how you want it spicy. 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of clove, ginger around 50 gram, and 50 gram of garlic as well, peeled. Now we're going to make a paste out of it, adding some yogurt as well. So in a blender jar, thick Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons, the last tablespoon. Add to this 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then make it a fine paste. So now the chicken is around 1 kilo of chicken. You can use one like I'm using drumstick. It'll be nice for the Yakhni style pulao. The grinded paste, I'm adding to it 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 chicken stock cube. You can break and put it. Some coriander leaves. This is dry one. You can add fresh as well. And some mint leaf as well to add. 2 tablespoons of plain oil. Now mix everything. So now we need to cook it, allow it to simmer, and then we have to cook it slowly for at least half an hour till the chicken is tender. So now the chicken is cooked after around 30 minutes on a slow cooking. I just changed the pan to a bigger one because we need to put the rice also here to make the pulao. So now I'm adding the cream, around 100 ml cream. So fresh green chili cut into split, around 3 green chili. And you can add extra some coriander leaf as well, the dried ones, and some mint leaf. So once it starts boiling, adding 1/4 teaspoon of maize powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now I'm adding in the soaked rice, 500 grams. Okay, now mix it in slowly. So why this is called the Yakhni Pulao as well? Yakhni is a stock, what you cook in with. So now you can see all the stock is getting absorbed. It's on the level of rice and chicken. I'm putting some fried onions on the top. If you have more mint and coriander, you can sprinkle here. Now we're going to cover and cook it on high flame for a minute till the lid gets hot. And then reduce the heat to very low and then cook it for another 6 minutes. So after resting for another 6 to 7 minutes, this is ready. You can see very nice pulao. The rice is cooked, and now we're going to put in a flat tray. And it's important to put the whole pulao in a flat tray so the rice breathe it, and the rice, you can see it's separated.